Okay, so I was in Woolworths today, supermarket, and I noticed what they were doing with all that social distancing stuff. Now, I saw it on the TV and stuff, but I witnessed it firsthand, and it immediately strikes you how they were coordinating people around the whole shop in their trolleys. That it's got nothing to do with safety. What it is, it's a mass mental illness. So I've seen this pattern before in other things. So when you see mass mental illness, go digging, look for the big lie. Look for the big lie, because whenever something is gone berserk or is falling over, is showing mass mental illness, it means it's like a structure built on a lie, like a false foundation, and now the building's toppling. So, for example, communism was built on a lie. The lie was the rich steal from the poor. That's a complete lie. The rich were actually creating the economy, and they all ended up starving. What's another lie? Islam. So we have a very regressive, aggressive and regressive at the same time society. Search for the lie. The lie is Muhammad's not a prophet. So I'm thinking there's a lie here somewhere. There's a lie. There must be, because there's something. It's a global mental illness. So my hunch was there's something wrong at the bottom of it. So then I went digging and I found this guy's video, and he pretty much backed up what I say. So when I see patterns like this, backed up by two or three more smart people, it's very telling. The other thing is they took down his video pretty fast. So that's another telling thing. When the beast takes it down straight away, okay, it's another tick indicator it's true. So the idea is that viruses are dead and they're not contagious. The idea is that the flu, and when you catch a virus of some sort, you don't actually catch it. What it is, it's your body doing a detox. And like I said, I don't know anything about this area. I'm just a high IQ guy looking at pattern recognition and probabilities. And I see this pattern. I see the probabilities. I'm willing to make a call that this guy is true. This guy is right. That viruses are a detox. And what they're doing is actually just detecting the virus in the system. Okay. Now, a lot of people will say, Ian Blickers, you've never studied this, how can you be right? I've never formally studied economics. I'm better than any economist. I've never formally studied theology. I'm better than any theologian. It comes down to pattern recognition and probability. And when you see these things come together, that's what happens. That's why I make these calls. So people, the big question people ask, so why does it all happen in one area or at once? It's the guy did a good explanation of that. He just says the body decides when it's time to detox. So cold and flu season is the time to detox. So that's where most people do their detox. It all kind of makes sense because they've made catastrophic errors in the past and no one's picked up on them, like the cholesterol one, where they thought cholesterol was a cause, but no, cholesterol was a reaction to an inflammation. So again, they're saying a virus is a cause. It could just be, as the guy in the video is saying, I'll put the link below, that it's a detox byproduct of your body going through a detox. It always made more sense. It makes more sense to me because their theory is certain people catch it because their immune system's weak. But this theory is certain people are going through detox because either through environment, health, whatever issue they have, their body goes through certain detoxes, and different viruses are different types of detoxes. So, I mean, the pattern plus probability, the numbers are very, my numbers in my head, I'm like, So I see this pattern, I see this probability, I make a call. It's got nothing to do with expertise in the area. Like I said, I've never studied theology or economics or politics or anything else formally, but I can guarantee you most of them are just propagating falsehoods they heard previously. This seems to be in this instance as well.